If you try to learn programming the way most people do, you'll probably fail. Endless tutorials, no real progress, and not even being able to build a proper project. If I had to start over in 2025, I'd do it completely differently. And in this video, I'll show you the exact approach I'd take to become a programmer faster. Let's dive in. When people decide to learn programming, they go all in at first. 8-hour coding sessions, daily tutorials, no breaks, and then they burn out and stop. Here's the thing, it's not about how much you code today, it's about whether you're still coding a year from now, 2 years from now, and so on. A realistic learning schedule is what actually makes you succeed. Just 1 to 2 hours daily is enough, or 3 to 4 depending on what works for you. We're all different, but consistency is what matters most. Now, I don't want to discourage you, but here's the tough part. If you can't sustain a schedule where you learn and code most days of the week, programming might not be for you. Because as a developer, you'll always be learning new frameworks, new tech, different issues. This doesn't stop after you get the job. So ask yourself, can I see myself doing this consistently? If the answer is yes, that means we should definitely move on to the next step. Here's something that holds most beginners back. They try to learn alone. But if you only code in isolation, you'll miss out on one of the fastest ways to improve: getting feedback. The good news? It's easier than ever to get involved. Join a coding Discord or Reddit community, follow developers on YouTube and Twitter, engage in discussions, post your code on forums and ask for feedback. Why does this matter? Because 1, you'll stay accountable. Others will push you to keep going. 2, you'll learn faster. You'll get advice from developers who are both ahead of you and at the same level. You'll grow together, and just seeing how others solve problems will expand your thinking a lot. And number 3, you'll build connections. Networking can open up job opportunities later on too. In my opinion, the sooner you start engaging with other developers, the faster you'll grow. A lot of people ask, how do I find a coding mentor? And honestly, I love that mindset. If you can find one, do it. But in the beginning, most of us aren't even sure whether we want to code long term, so finding a mentor may not be the first natural step. The good news? AI can fill the gap, especially if you learn how to use it correctly. You should leverage AI tools like ChatGPT to speed up your learning, like it's a no-brainer. Use it to explain concepts, debug errors, and suggest solutions, but don't just copy-paste code. You won't progress that way, and you won't truly understand what you're doing. Train yourself to ask better questions. Instead of just, how do I build this? Ask, what are the best practices for optimizing this code? Why is this approach better than another? But let me be clear, AI should be a tool. If you rely on it to write all your code, you're not learning. You're just outsourcing thinking in a way. Use AI to accelerate your learning, not replace it. I truly believe that this simple, concise plan will take you really far. But what's next? If you're into web development, C# and .NET could be a perfect fit for you. And that's exactly what I teach on this channel. Whether you're an absolute beginner or already coding but unsure what to learn next, I've put together a free roadmap that lays out exactly what to learn and in what order. You can grab it by clicking the link below or heading to .NETDeveloperRoadmap.com. And if you want to dive deeper, I've also made a video walking you through the full roadmap, which should be on the screen right now. So just click on it and I'll see you there.